Hello everyone. I just realized that day after tomorrow is Christmas. So Merry Christmas in advance. This is me, Shaurya Srivastava from Shaurya School. So I was just wondering that many of them thinks that Santa is real. And means they wish that Santa comes to their house. I know, and I wish that they are able to see Santa this Christmas. But before that, so that they are ready for Christmas, I have made a model of Santa Claus. Yes, I am sure that they will really like it. So let me show you the model that I've created. So this is the model that I've created. Oh, I can see a reindeer. Okay, so the reindeer is saying that the Santa Claus has some defects, that it doesn't have eyes and many other things. So in this video is a 50 plus subscriber special plus a Christmas special video. So in this video I will make and change all the things that I have not added. So for that I will first, in basic shape, I will take a half sphere and add it over here. I will turn it like this, and then I will turn it like this. Let me make it more properly. Now basically you can see this is a 3D sphere. I have to bring this over here, and for that I have to raise it, so like this, and then wait a minute. You can see this, and I will raise it a bit higher. Place it here, a bit more higher. Change the color to black. I'll copy it and paste it so that I get one more. Wait a minute, sorry for this. copy and paste. So first of all, I will add it over here. This black balls, the eyeballs. There's something missing. Beard and okay. What is it? Oh, I get it. There should be a Christmas without gifts is never complete. So for making gift, we just need a cube and not so big. Make it small. Let me add one more cube. Change the color to pink or purple. Then just basically we can add strips to it. For that ribbon, I will take it from Design Starters. In this Design Starters, we can see this already a gift ready. So we can keep this and search for other shapes. If I want to decorate this with a star, I will bring the star to the stage. I mean the canvas, raise it, and what about I want it like this, so turn it. And then smaller. Bring that this close. And then I will raise this. Bring it a bit front. Adjust this accordingly. And ta-da! Done. So though it might look weird, a gift is ready. Don't need the star. You can see with a real gift too. Now one more thing, a slightly change that I will add. That is, I will add the spear pattern from Design Starters, and then I will just first make this small. Bit more smaller. Raise it, and or let it be like this only. It looks great. We can add one more thing in this. It's a surprise, so I am pausing the video. So 3, 2, 1, and the surprise is ready. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 Something's still missing. Oh yeah, without a Christmas tree, how will it look great? Here's a Christmas tree. And still, should we? Oh yeah. Oh. Yes, you're correct. We need to add snow. Yes, so let me add snowflakes. This gigantic snowflake in the sky. And a snowman? Yeah, of course. So, great. Now, it is looking very beautiful, isn't it? So, Merry Christmas to each and every one of you. So, thanks for subscribing, more than 50 plus subscribers, and keep on subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, subscribe now, so that I will be able to release 100 plus subscriber video also. So thank you. Have a nice day. This is me, Shaurya Srivastava from Shaurya School. Oh, one more thing. That please like my video and don't forget to share it. Goodbye. Oh, I forgot the main thing. Merry Christmas in advance. Dashing through the snow, one horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Goodbye. Ta-da!